Seventh question. A and B are two sets such that n of A minus B equal to 32 plus x, n of B minus A equal to 5x, and n of A intersection B equal to x. Illustrate the information by means of a Venn diagram. Given that n of A equal to n of B, calculate the value of x. First we draw the Venn diagram. This is A set and this is B set and this is the universal set. Universal set is a rectangular box and we write the data. So this portion is A minus B. So n of A minus B is given that 32 plus 6 and this portion is B minus A. So n of B minus A is 5x and n of A intersection B. A intersection portion is this portion. So given that n of A intersection B equal to x and given n of A equal to n of B. N of A equal to n of B. From this you find the value of x. N of A means what? 32 plus x plus this x also. So we write 32 plus x plus x is equal to n of B. N of B means 5x plus x. So 32 plus x is 2x equal to 5x plus x is 6x. So 32 equal to 6x minus 2x. So 32 equal to 6x minus 2x is 4x. So x is equal to 32 equal to 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. So x is equal to 32 by 4. 4 ones are 4, then 4 eights are 32. So x is equal to 8. 10th question. A survey of 1000 farmers found that 600 grew paddy, 350 grew ragi, 280 grew corn, 120 grew paddy and ragi, 100 grew ragi and corn, and 80 grew paddy and corn. If each farmer grew at least any one of the above three, then find the number of farmers who grew all the three. So total farmers given that 1000, 600 grew paddy, that is n of A. N of A equal to 600 and 350 grew ragi. So we write n of B equal to 350 and 280 grew corn. So we take n of C equal to 280 and 120 grew paddy and ragi, that is n of A intersection B equal to 120. 100 grew ragi and corn, that is n of B intersection C equal to 100. And 80 grew paddy and corn, that is n of A intersection C equal to 80. We find out number of farmers who grew all the three. So number of farmers grew all the three, that is n of equal to question mark, that is we have to find n of A intersection B intersection C equal to what? Now we draw the Venn diagram. A set, B set and C set. Number of farmers grew all the three, that is n of A intersection B intersection C, we taken as x. And first we apply all the data here. Number of farmers grew paddy and corn, that is 80. N of A intersection C is 80. So we find this portion, that is 80 minus x. And B intersection C is totally 100. So this portion is 100 minus x. And A intersection B is 120. So this value is 120 minus x. This portion is small a and this is small b and small c. Now we find small a. Here total value is 600. So a is equal to 600 minus, we add the numbers 120 minus 6 plus 6 and 80 minus 6. 120 minus 6 plus 6 plus 80 minus 6 equal to 600 minus 6 and plus 6 cancel. 120 plus 80 is 200, then minus 6 equal to 600. We remove the bracket, so minus 200 plus x equal to 600 minus 200, 400 plus x. This is a value. And small b is, totally we have b set is 350. So b is equal to 350 minus, we add 120 minus 6 plus x plus 100 minus x equal to 350 minus x and plus 6 cancel. Then 120 plus 100, 220 minus 6 equal to 350 minus 220 plus 6 equal to 350 minus 220 is 0, 3, 1. 130 plus 6. Now totally C set is 280. So we find this area. So C is equal to 280 minus, then 80 minus 6 plus 6 plus 100 minus x equal to 280 minus 6 plus 6 cancel, then 80 plus 100, 180 minus 6 equal to 280 minus 180 plus 6 equal to 280 minus 180 is 100 plus x. So a value is 400 plus x. Then b value is 130 plus x and c value is 100 plus x. And this is 120 minus 6, this is 80 minus 6, 100 minus 6, and this is x. So from the Venn diagram we can write 400 plus x plus 130 plus x here, then 100 plus x plus 120 minus x plus 100 minus x plus 80 minus x plus x is equal to, total value is 1000 equal to 400 plus 130 plus 100 plus 120 plus 100 plus 80 plus, here minus 6 plus 6 and minus 6 cancel, here plus 6 and minus 6 cancel, then plus 6 and minus 6 cancel, so only 1 plus x we have, x equal to 1000. We add all the numbers, you get 930. So 930 plus x is equal to 1000. Therefore x is equal to 1000 minus 930 equal to 70. Therefore number of farmers grew all the three is 70.